What I'm doing, you see these plants right here? These are called lamb's quarters, goosefoot, wild spinach, a lot of things. Well, they're invading our herb bed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to move some of them into a bed of their own. Here's the bed I've prepared for my lamb's quarters. You see my tray of them right there. Now it's got a lot of wood chips in it. It used to be a part of our chicken pen right here, but that's going to be a good thing because these plants like to grow around brush piles. So I figured a little bit rough will be fine. And to kind of build it up a little bit, I threw some wood ashes in there. We're going straight up old school with this. So, time to start planting. here's my transplanted lamb's quarters patch. I've got to hurry and get them watered. You can see they're already starting to droop. I really hope this works, because for one thing, I love these plants. And I've never tried to transplant them before, and we'll see, hoping that works. And for another, this is gardening at its roots. I mean, if you think about it, our ancestors started gardening by finding a plant that they found useful, either for food or medicine or whatever, and bringing it back and trying to make it grow where they wanted it to grow. So, this is primal as it gets, guys. Have a good one.